Our subject for today is history. Philippine history.
Philippine history. Sisiu. Capital P-U-P. Sisiu.
Who is the greatest Filipino fighter? Ikaw, Tina.
Sir, Juan Luna.
Good. Very good. Who discovered of the Philippines? Ikaw, Madonna.
Sir, si Ferdinand Magellan, March 13, 1521.
Excellent. Sino pumatay kay Lapu-Lapu? Ikaw, Michael.
Ba, hindi ako, sir. Kahit mahirap lang kami, hindi ko magagawa yun.
Tarantado ka talaga, no? Ano ba sabi mo? Gusto ko makausap ang tatay mo. I want to bring me there.
Yes, sir.